Hi there, welcome back my dear students. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you like how to download and install WordPress on your local system on your XAMPP. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to type here WordPress and you can say download, and you can right click on here, open link in new tab. Here can you see it's saying download and install it yourself. So what we will do here is the installation guide. Let's see what we have in the installation guide. Okay, so first of all, they are saying download and unzip the WordPress package if you haven't already. So we don't have the WordPress file right now. So what we are going to do, we are going to download the WordPress file. Here, can you see it's saying recommended PHP version is PHP 7.4 or greater, and MySQL 5.7 or MariaDB. And what we have to do, let's come up here. We'll type CMD. Inside CMD, we will check our PHP version, PHP-v. So you must have PHP version. You must have PHP installed in your laptop. If you don't have PHP, you don't have XAMPP in your system. What you have to do, I will attach a link in the description of how to like download and install and set up the XAMPP in your system. And you have to first go and look at that and come back to here. So let's move on here, and we are going to download the WordPress from here, and it's starting automatically. This will take like 1.5 minutes to download this, and let's wait for it to complete. So our downloading has been complete. What you have to do, you have to go into your system, and inside your system you will find out a WordPress downloadable file. What you have to do, you have to double click here, and can you see we have WordPress here and WordPress files and data. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this file, or I will cut this from here, and inside C folder I have XAMPP. Inside XAMPP I have htdocs. Inside htdocs I have some like my folders that I have categorized. It's very good for you if you are like coming into the development world. It's better like you have all of the files organized in your system. So here I have made a WordPress here. So what I will do, I will paste that here, and after that I will just extract this here, the WordPress main file, and it's saying WordPress. So once this extraction has been done, what we can do, we can name it something, whatever you want. You can say like whatever your name is. You can name your WordPress file to your name, like I will say Abraham for example. And what I will do, I will copy this path from here. Before copying this path, what I'm going to do, I'm going to type here XAMPP. I need the XAMPP in my system first. So you will see a prompt like this, and what you have to do, you need to run Apache first of all, and after Apache you need to run MySQL. So once this run, you can minimize this one, and what you have to do, I will go inside that, and I will copy the path from here to here. After htdocs I will copy the path, and after that what I will do, I will come in the browser. I'm going to close this one from here, and in new tab I'm going to do like localhost and localhost slash. After that I'm going to paste my folder name, or I can do just simply vivozek, and I will hit enter. Okay, and inside that, can you see I have two directories. I'm going go inside YouTube lectures, WordPress, and inside that here, can you see I have a zip file, and I have my main folder. I will click on Abraham, and this is going to take me on WordPress installation. So from here you can select whatever language you want. So I want like English United States. I will click on continue, and here it's saying, it's giving me some uh, tips like before installation began, make sure you have like database name, database username, database password, database host, table prefix. If you want to run more than one WordPress in a single database, then we need to give the prefix. So what I'm going to do here I'm going to copy localhost. After localhost, I will type php my admin. It's not working. Why? Okay, there is one more scenario. So what you can do, you can click here. You can go from here as well, like localhost slash php my admin and hit enter. This will directly take you to the database, to MySQL database. I don't know why it's taking too long. So yeah, it's open now. Okay, there is another scenario, like sometime what happened when you are a beginner and you're facing problem in opening the PHP My Admin. What you can do, you can right click, you can open up your XAMPP control panel, you can click on admin, and this will directly take you to the PHP My Admin panel. So what I'm going to do here, database, I'm going to name my database, like for example, I will say Abraham hyphen underscore, sorry, underscore, I will say word WP for WP DB. Okay, so I will hit create. So here, can you see I have Abraham WP DB. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply copy the WordPress database name. That's it. I don't need anything else. So here I have the database name. So by default database username is root and database password is null, and database host is localhost, like you have your server is like localhost, so you are going to do with localhost. After that, they are saying there is a message like this information is being used to create a wp-config.php file. If for any reason this automatic file creation does not work, do not worry. All this does is fill in the database information to a configuration file. You may also simply open wp-config sample.php in text editor while in your information and save it as wp-config.php. Okay, let's go and check, like it's wp-config or we have wp-config.sample.php. Let's go into our WordPress. So here, can you see we have wp-config sample? We don't have the wp-config other one. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy this one, and we will say okay, leave it for now. Let's see the error first. If we face any error, let's see the error first. Okay, let's click on next, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy my database name. I'm going to paste the database name here. By default database name username is root and password is null, and we have database like localhost, database host is localhost, and table prefix, whatever you want to do, you can give, like Abraham, I will say WP, whatever you want to. If you want to give a table prefix, it's up to you. I will click on submit. Okay, it's saying all right Sparky, you made it through this part of installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you're ready, time now to go. I gotta run the installation, and it's running. Yeah, it's taking me to the next step now. It's saying, do you have any website name? I will say Abraham, I will say YouTube lectures. Okay, this is my website name, and username, I will say admin, and I will say admin 123 123. Okay, or like if you are in real world, you're not going to use admin and admin 123. This is a very weak password. Okay, and I will say confirm use weak password. Here what I will do, I can give my email onetouchstaff@gmail.com, and here this is optional, like search engine visibility, like Google crawl on your website if you have a copyright content, like you are importing demo content on your website. So we are saying discourage search engine for indexing our site, like do not come, hey Google, do not come in our website and stay away from us. Like we are requesting Google, like we are working on this website, please stay away from our website. Okay, so after that you have to click on install WordPress. Let's see if we face any error. We need to go and fix that WP config file. Okay, boom, it's done. I will say okay, no, I'm not going to save this. I will say okay, login, your chosen password. So we have admin and our password is admin123, and let's log in. Boom, we have our WordPress local setup has been done. So what you can do, can you see visit site? You can right click and open this in new tab. And here, can you see we have our WordPress website is running, and from here you can go back into the dashboard. Okay, so here you have posts, you have media where you can upload. Here you have posts like you have seen blogs, those blogs are coming from here. And you have categories and all those stuff, medias where you upload your pictures and all those stuff. You have WordPress pages, like by default it's we have two pages, sample page and privacy policy page. Can you see this is a sample page? Or this is no, this is not a sample page, this is your post page by default. So here in appearance, what we will do, we will go here, and inside that we have multiple themes. We will search for something themes like education. Okay. I spelled wrong, sorry. Education. Let's see if we find anything. No, I didn't find anything. Let's see, add new, sorry, add new. So in here we have multiple free themes here. Can you see we have a lot of free themes? Okay, I will say detailed preview, and this is going to give us some like free website content. Okay, let's take a look on any other website. Okay, let's see if this is going to work for us. So it's loading. Okay, it's just giving us this simple. Let's install this Ocean WP. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, like it's going to show all of the data sometime. They just give you a simple like one page or some stuff from the sample theme. Like if you want to access the full-fledged theme, you need to buy the theme. So it's installing. So it's installed. Okay, we are not going to activate this right now. I will go back into themes, and can you see I have Ocean WP? I'm going to activate this one. So this theme is active. It's saying awesome, you're amazing, awesome, and you're amazing, thank you. Premium website template, WordPress widgets. I will say install and activate Ocean. Let's see what will happen. So it's installing the some plugins and stuff from the Ocean WP. Let's see what they will do. I think it's still running. Meanwhile, we will reload the page. So it's reloading now. Can you see? This will take some time, a little bit time. I will say allow and continue. So let's see, or we can skip this. Let's do a setup. So sorry, this video is just related to installing WordPress. So we have installed a little bit theme as well on here. So we have here, can you see we have some demos in here. It's not going on demos. Sometimes free themes don't work perfectly. So here we have a little bit beautiful footer and our header. So that's it. If you like my video, sorry for a little bit lengthy video. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and to stay updated, kindly hit the bell icon as well. So I'll see you in next video. If you want some specific video on WordPress, just let me know. Take care. Bye bye.